Hello, welcome to the Manufacturing Technology Center from Charles A. Jones. You can see this is the equipment that we have. A lot of it, well, all of it has been donated. We're delighted to have it. Here's our Clark forklift that runs beautiful. And then we have our first manual lathe that needs a chip guard in the back. We need to find a way to get a chip guard fabricated. We have no tooling for this machine, other than we have obviously the chuck. It's a 12-inch chuck. We have about 72 inches of travel. We have an old style, just tool post, and we want to change this over to a quick change style tool post. So that would be a BXA or a CA tool post. And here we have a small Bridgeport. It's older, but it's still functional. It's been turned on and powered up and seems to work pretty well. All the axes seem to work out. So here we have the Bridgeport Series 2. This is the largest Bridgeport manual machine that Bridgeport makes. If you look closely, it actually has drive motors on the knee. You can see it just right there. It also has a drive motor that will drive both the X and Y axes, and it's right there. And then we have for the quill, it actually has a power drive for the quill as well. So this machine runs beautiful, but we do need a power drawbar for this machine. You would need to be Sasquatch to get a wrench onto the drawbar. We actually have the drawbar sitting on the table right now. I took it out to measure it, to make sure that when we order the power drawbar that we make sure we get the right size. This takes a 1-inch hex, and I want to make sure that we order the power drawbar that can accommodate a 1-inch hex. So on this machine was donated by Siemens. You can see this machine. Now, this machine was built in 2007. You can look at the ways. The way scrapings are just beautiful there. This machine has minimal hours on it. It does already have a power drawbar on it. It's a really, really nice machine in very, very good shape, and we're delighted to have it. And thank you so much, Siemens. So over here we have our, it is a Herco. This is a BMC 30. I'm sorry, this is a BMC 20. So the travel on this one looks like 3016. We have no vices. It holds 16 tool holders, 16 tools at a time, and certainly we need to acquire some tool holders for that. So, but you can see we have no vices. We have no vices for any of these machines. These machines were donated. We're very happy that they were donated, but they did not come with any tooling. So we certainly are looking to acquire tooling. If you have some tooling you could donate, we would greatly appreciate that. Here we have, this is a BMC 30. It's a little bit larger table, it has a 24 tool capacity. We have run these machines, they run really well. So we're just gonna clean them up. We're gonna make these look brand new. And we're super proud to have them. And thank you, Insight Manufacturing, for donating these two machines and the very large Bridgeport. Certainly appreciate that. This is a sandblaster. We'll be moving that to a different location. We're still going to incorporate it, but we're going to move it to a different location than here. Here we have this area, these car lifts. They will very likely go over to the California Mobility Center over at Depot Park. And here, this will be our welding area. We have at least 5 welding stations planned back here so that the apprentices get just a basic understanding of welding. We're not going to get really deep into the welding program from here. There's other schools that cover that better than we can. So there's one of our older forklifts. Then we have various different sheet metal pieces of equipment here. We are delighted that Tri-Tool has donated this material. This material needs some processing in order to turn it into sort of workable, usable work pieces. We have planned to buy a Marvel 8 Mark II saw. That is a vertical saw that has lots of capacity and has power feed, so we don't have to stand there and feed this material into the saw in order to cut it up into small usable pieces. So it's an automatic feed saw. It's a very, very nice saw, and it's one that's very common out there. Some of you probably already have the Marvel 8. So with that covers the current shop material. And behind this door over here, we have a classroom. And then in this room, this is going to be a secured storage room. Currently, it was used to store paint when there was an auto body program here at Charles A. Jones. And then we come over here. Here's another classroom. This facility is about 18,000 square feet total space for the manufacturing technology program. It does not include we're about to see a different program that is HVAC. So here we have the tool crib, and this tool crib will be exclusively used for our manufacturing technology program. And then we have, coming in through here, we have a little break area here. It's really nice. We'll come through this room into our inspection lab. And the CMM that we're about to see was donated by Ruxco Engineering. We're very grateful to have that. It's a really nice machine. It's a full CNC Zeiss Eclipse machine with running Calypso. We open the door, and there it is. It's actually in a warm-up cycle right now. So you can see it running, and it runs beautiful. This inspection lab is about 1,000 square feet total. We have another room that's for tool storage on the other side there, but we hope to run a nice metrology program here. So that is going to conclude. So our plans for this room is we've asked the district to get us a nice fresh coat of white paint, and we will be improving the lighting in here. The lighting is not terribly great, and we will look forward to getting that lighting replaced or upgraded. So coming back over here to the end of the shop, the other side of the shop, again, we're going through the HVAC part of the program, and come back into our break room. And certainly appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. And if there's anything that you have, lots of people, I've been in the tooling industry a long time, walked through a lot of shops. Some of the old vices that are flange style that lots of people have upgraded to double station vices. And if you could donate just your single station old flange vices, we would greatly appreciate those. That will get us started, get this program up and running. So thanks again so much for taking the time to watch this video. I certainly appreciate it, and you have a great day.